guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking hair. Now if you've been in my channel for a while, you know that my hair has been going through kind of a journey. Around 2018, 2017, I used to have very long natural locks, and then I thought, let's go blonde. So I did. I stuck with the blonde, different variations of that blonde for like 5-6 years, and now I'm back to my dark hair, my natural hair, and I've been going through this thing to try to get it back to that healthy natural state again. But around 2021 I decided, let's chop it off. So I did. I actually donated about 8 inches of hair back then. I do feel like everyone has to do this at least once and just chop it all off. It's a lot of fun and it's very light. I live in Arizona, and in the summers having that short hair was awesome. It's so easy to do. You just wash it, and I would just let it air dry and do its thing, and it was so good. But now, of course, I've had my hair short for a while. Now it's about a medium length. It's been growing out, but it's not growing fast enough, and of course I'm getting the itch to have long hair again, and that's when the idea of hair extensions came in. I've been dying to get hair extensions for a while now, just to get the feel of long hair again. But you guys probably know hair extensions are expensive. So instead of spending hundreds or thousands of dollars on hair extensions, I decided to do what a lot of people would do: go to Amazon. So today we are going to be trying an Amazon brand of hair extensions, and I'm wearing them right now and I love them. I feel like especially the color match was very spot on. The quality is amazing, and these are the Wennalife human hair extensions. So in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, try on, and styling of these hair extensions and telling you all about it. These hair extensions were gifted to me, and the company was gracious enough to also provide me with a discount code for you. So if in the end of the video, the review and try on, you'd like to try them out for yourself, they have given me this discount code for you guys. It is not an affiliate link, and I do not earn commission from that discount link, but it will be there for you if you'd like to use it. All of that information will be in that description box down below. Thank you so much for Wennalife for letting me try these. And yeah, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, how I styled it, and what my thoughts are on these, then please stay on and keep on watching. Alright, so like I mentioned, these are the Wennalife hair extensions, and this is the box that it came in, and these are the ones that I picked out for myself specifically. And with these you get 150 grams of hair. They are 18 inches long, and I picked the color number 2, which is the darker brown. And I have to say I was impressed with the quality. They were super soft and they feel like real hair. They don't feel like that shiny synthetic material that sometimes extensions have. It feels really soft and really good. And like I mentioned earlier, the color match I thought was pretty spot on for me. Okay, and these guys, the ones that I got, they come with 9 pieces total. You get 1 piece with 4 clips. That's going to be your widest one at 8 inches wide. You get 2 pieces with 3 clips, and those measure 6 inches wide. You get 4 pieces with 2 clips at 4 inches wide each, and 2 pieces with 1 clip each at 2 inches wide. That was a tongueful. You also get 2 extra clips in case you lose any. Okay, so here's a demonstration of how I put them on. This is what the back of my hair looks like, and my worry at first was with my layers. I really wanted to make sure that the extensions blended really well with my hair, because I do have really short layers at the top. So I started low on the back of the neck because I did want to use as much pieces as possible. Now you don't have to do this, but if you feel like the extension needs some grip to it so it doesn't slide off, you can tease your hair first before putting them on. That way the extension can grip to that. My hair is really fine and I had just washed it, so I thought that I needed that at least for the first one, because the next one can then grip to the top of this one, if that makes sense. So I started with a 2-piece first and then moved on to another section. And I do apologize. I know my camera is kind of like fighting for its life right now, trying to focus on me here. And I also know that I do need practice and I could have done a cleaner job, but my arms were getting tired. So I did 2 3-clip extensions after that. Then here, I'm gonna turn around for the top sections. Now for this section that's going to be the widest, I did tease the end pieces for grip again, and I'll use the 4-clip extension here. Then I moved up for another section, and because I wanted more volume towards the sides of the head, I used a 2-clip on the sides. And then I did my 1-clip pieces at the highest sections. And I did that too because I feel like that's where usually extensions get seen the most. So I wanted to use the least amount of pieces on the sides. And once they were all in, I went in and just slightly curled some small pieces around the head, just some random ones to give the hair some curl. This is what I would call some lazy curls, just to give the hair some wave. And the extensions responded great to the heat. I used medium heat and they held great. This is what the hair looked like from the side, from the back, and the look was done. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this point, I love how my hair looks. I can't stop looking at myself. I've never seen my hair like so long and so thick. I love it. I feel very Kardashian right now. I'm so obsessed. And don't forget, if you'd like to try out these Wennalife hair extensions for yourself, all information will be in that description down below, along with a discount code for 10% off. It's not an affiliate link. I do not earn any commission off of that link. It's just a discount code for you guys if you'd like to check them out. Hair extensions from Amazon, and they look like this. I love especially the color match. For me, I feel like it was very spot on. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in that comment section down below. Hit the like button if you did like this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.